Hi everyone, this is Cindy. Welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to talk a bit about pests. In my home, let's see, we've been living here since November. I've noticed lots of ants, and I actually tried some poison and it didn't really work. It stopped them from entering certain, coming in from certain points of the house, but they still found their way in. So my coworker had mentioned that she tried borax and sugar, so I'm going to go ahead and try that today. But let me show you what problems I'm facing. Less ants, but there's still ants coming in the home and I don't like it. So hold on and let me show you what's going on. So this is in my shower. A while ago I took a shower and there's ants in here. It's like, you gotta be kidding me. I opened the curtain and there was like 5, but now maybe because they know I'm coming, they scattered. Yeah, see, crawling up there. I was also finding them before on my table, so I just wiped it a while ago and I don't see any right now. But they'll be on the table and you really can't see them because my table's dark. Oh, I did have a router and this router was full of ants. We had to spray it. But look, some little dead bodies. I just wiped this down. Yes, this morning. And look at that. And this is the poison I tried, Home Defense. It's almost empty. And, it would kill the tracking in, and it would kill the bodies, the ants themselves. But they would still come in. See? And constantly cleaning. They come in from the smallest places. So I went ahead and purchased borax, mixed some sugar, and I'm using a recycled container. Mix it all in here and hopefully we'll have less ants coming in. I read that they actually end up taking the borax back with them when it's poisonous for them. And this is actually safe for animals, pets. But I'm going to go ahead and put it in these little containers. Let me show you. I'm going to go ahead and put some in here and dab some cotton balls in it as well and put it in areas where I have seen ants, like in the shower. Alright, so let's see if this works. Okay, so it looks like it's dissolved. I'm going to pour some in there. Pour some in here. And let me show you something. This area, it's my kitchen, my spices storage area. And I sprayed it with that poison that I showed you a while ago. And look at that. See it? Horrible little things. And there's more than that. Look. Those little buggers. I have found them in here as well, and there's no food up here. I'll get a plate sometimes and oh, look. Is that one? No, that's that's not one. Anyway, I'll get a plate and there'll be a little ant. Gonna soak some of that up. Place it here. Look, they just chatted. Oh, okay, one came out. I'm thinking they're coming in from behind this old light. Yep, I found it. They're coming in from here. Look at that. Okay, take back the poison. That's what I'm talking about. These little buggers are coming in from really tight spots. Look at, they're right there crawling around. There's so many. Watch.
Let's go check out the one in the kitchen. Put it in the tray, and then put it back in the and we'll check back in a minute.
Okay, here's an update the next day. The bathroom only has one ant coming down. There's one more. There's no more coming out. So I'm thinking this is working.